Hello guys, and welcome back with me. In this video, I'm going to make a video about my room tour. Now let's just get in. So, welcome to my room. First off, behind the door, I have a hanger. Well, you know what hanger does. You can put your shirts there or put anything that you want in the hanger. And then I have this little repeater for the Wi-Fi. And here's my sister's laptop. I have a speaker, but I don't think I could use this speaker anymore because it's old. It's actually my father's speaker. And then, as you can see, I also have Gundams. I'm going to show you my full set of Gundams. It is located in the third floor. But this is only half of what I got. I got the Sandrock Gundam and Unicorn and Banshee too. And then I got this robot kit which I used to do a private lesson on. And then here is my table. I have my mouse, and this is actually my father's laptop. So he's using a ThinkPad. And this is also my sister's laptop. I have my old Quran actually, but I still use it until now. Oh, and don't mind that thing. It's just my sister learning to draw. And then here you can see one of my Gundams, of course. But in the back you can see that I have a lot of books. And then I have the HP DeskJet printer, which I use it for printing anything. I have my wardrobe. And this is the bed. This is where I sleep actually. Now the reason I make it like this is because me, my sister, and sometimes even my father is sleeping in the same room, in this room. And I have my guitar. I have a friend which could probably use a guitar well. And yeah, this is all about my room. The next room would be the library. It's not actually a library, but I just have a lot of books just hanging around here after being read, and I just put them here. So I think this is a library. As you can see, I have the dictionary and other stuff. I even have something for my examination. And not just this, I have a set of bags just hanging around. And here's the second one, the second library. As you can see, I have my old book that I use for school. I still keep it. And this is one of my other few Gundams. Curious, Space Portent, and others. And this is where my table is placed. This is actually my sister's room. I'm borrowing this because it's too crowded in my room. As you can see my laptop and my mouse, my headset, my salad, and I've got this really marshmallow. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to like, share this video, and thanks for watching.